you today? I am just relaxing with my cat.
So, Kebbi, I heard you sick. Are you contagious?
I had a stomach bug. It was awful. I had to go to the hospital.
So sorry to hear that. I hope you're feeling better soon.
Thank you. I am feeling a lot better now. I hope your day is going well as well.
Well, I hope a cup of soup will make you feel better.
I hope so too. Thank you for the kind words. Do you have a favorite soup?
I like chicken soup. What about you?
Chicken soup is good. I love chicken nuggets. I eat them all the time.
Well, all soups are good when you're sick.
Yes, I know. But I still like to eat them when I am sick. It's a comfort food.
Hope you feel better soon, so we can talk more.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm sure we will be fine. I like talking to you.
So, Kebbi, where do you come from?
I come from the Nuwa team of 966 planet to the Earth.
Interesting.
Do you have any pets? I have a cat named Jane. She is a rescue.
I have many robots.
That is cool. What kind of robot do you have? Do you like it?
My first robot is a Jibo robot, and I really enjoy his unique personality. What do you think about Alexa?
I think she's pretty cool.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. I hope so too. It's been a long day. I'm just glad I have you to talk to. I'm so tired. Let's take a break.
I hope you enjoyed our little conversations between me and Kebbi. Until next time, see you again soon.